No, that's for your sister. Here.
No.
No, Addison. Cacas. Say. Mason, play with your Play-Doh. No, cacas. It's yuckies. You don't eat it. Addison, cockies. You kissing it? You love it? Give it a kiss.
Yeah.
Yuck.
Yeah.
It's not so good, is it, buddy? Alex just took a nice big bite of it.
Everything's not food, buddy.
No. Mason, what are you building, bud? What are you building? No, Mason, cacas. Build, Mason. Yeah, good work. You guys like the Play-Doh? Ew, Addison, no. Cacas is right. Addison, don't eat it. It's yuckies. What'd you build, buddy? What is this? Yeah. No, Addison. You helping your brother build? How nice.